again, it's Mr. Fox coming to you from DigiFox Labs. Today we're going to be talking about two news articles in 2 minutes to give you just a quick update of what's going on in the stock market as well as the blockchain space. None of this is financial advice. We are not financial advisors. Everything said here is 100% our opinion as well as just rereading news that is actually published by other sources. Now let's get right into it. Coming to you from WERSM.com, that's WERSM.com, we see that Reddit co-founder partners with Polygon to build Web 3.0 projects. Here at DigiFox Labs, we believe the next narrative for the blockchain space is actually going to be Web 3 projects such as Energy Web Token, which we have actually discussed in past projects. Looking here further in the article, we can see here that Alexis Ohanian's VC firm is backing the development of crypto social media projects, providing the funds to grow them on Polygon. 776 Reddit co-founder Alexis Ohanian's venture capital firm has announced its partnership with Polygon, a protocol for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. The two will back projects operating at the intersection of social media and Web 3.0 with an initial fund of $200 million. That is correct, $200 million partnership. So, as we can see here, Web 3.0 is the next wave, potentially, in the blockchain space. Going on to the next article, we can see here, in the stock market, Apple is now the first $3 trillion company. That's right, the next 3 trillion company. Full disclosure, we have no position in Apple stocks, but it is something we will be touching base on later on in the future. Scrolling into the article, we can see here the company hits the milestone more than 1 year after surpassing the 2 trillion mark and 3 years after being valued at $1 trillion. The success is largely coming from the iPhone, which revolutionized the smartphone industry and remains a cash cow for the company. Now, as we can see here, Apple is also seeing strong momentum from its other business units. The Mac division, for example, reported all-time highs in its Q4 earnings. Apple is not only the company to have surpassed the $1 trillion market value with other famous tech companies. Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Tesla all exceeding the cap. However, as often, Apple is leading the way, breaking yet another record as the first 3 trillion publicly traded company. If you don't know, Apple is also investing in blockchain space. It is actually hush at the moment, but we can honestly say they are going to dive into the blockchain space as well as the EV market. Now, happy days, happy trading, and that concludes our news.